Welcome to VINDAL'S concept, equations of motion under gravity part 4. A stone is projected horizontally with a speed of 10 meters per second from the top of a cliff of height 45 meters. Calculate the horizontal distance covered by the stone from the foot of the cliff. All right, let me use this diagram to illustrate the question. So we have that a stone is projected from the top of a cliff. So let's assume this is the cliff. And this is the horizontal ground. And this is the stone. And it has a horizontal velocity of 10. So what happened is this: the ball is going to move in this direction and hit the ground here. Of course, this should be 90 degrees. Then the horizontal component of our speed, which I'm giving Vx, is 10 meters per second. So it means that our vertical component of the speed is going to be Uy is going to be 0. Now the height is given as 45 meters. So the first thing I'm going to do is to find the time it takes to go from here all the way to this place. Then let me find that time, and I'm going to use this formula. Multiply by time. This is going to be plus 1 all over 2 gt square. Now the height here is given as 45 meters, and everything here is going to be 0 because this u to the vertical is 0. So 0 multiplied by time is going to be 0. This is going to be 1 all over 2 times g is 10 times, I am looking for the time. This cancels, this is 5. Therefore 45 divided by 5 is equal to t square. Therefore t is going to be, I am taking the square root of both sides. So the square root of this and square root of this, t will cancel the square root. And then this is going to be 45 divided by 5 is 9. Square root of 9 is plus or minus 3 seconds. So if time is 3 seconds, so the next thing I'm going to do is, what is the distance is covered? So the distance is from here all the way to this point, q, and then I'm going to call it foot. So that formula I'm going to use is going to be S is going to be that horizontal distance which I call Vx multiplied by the time which I just found. So this is going to be, the speed there is 10, this one is going to be 10, which I'm going to put here, multiplied by this 3, which is 3, because that 3 is the time it takes to go from here all the way to from the top of the cliff until where it hits the ground. So that distance is going to be 10 times 3 is 30 meters. This is the solution of this question for equation of motion part 4. Please don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day.